Hi, welcome back. Today we are going to learn how to draw with art prompts. That means you can choose different words and mix them together to give you ideas on how to draw or what to draw. So my example today, when I used my art prompts, I chose a noun, which is a person, place, or a thing, an action word, and a describing word. And it came up with a pretty sleeping monster. The one that I did for my drawing example is round ice cream yelling. Or I think it was shouting. So, today we are going to make some art using art prompts, and I'm going to show you how you can do that at home. Okay, so the supplies we're going to need are 2 pieces of paper, a pencil, some scissors, and a bag of some sort. I have a Ziploc baggie, but a paper bag will work too. So these are the supplies that we're going to need. What you are going to do is, you are going to write noun words, action words, and the easiest way to do this is to fold your paper into thirds. So you're going to fold it up, and you are going to need adult help for this possibly. Especially with the writing. It's not perfect. It doesn't need to be perfect. It's just so that I have columns so that I can write my words. So nouns are a person, a place, or a thing. So I'm going to write teddy bear. I'm actually going to use a marker so that you can see it better. I'm just going to continue to write person, place, or thing in this column here. Okay, so I have my list of nouns. Now I'm going to add some actions. Actions are what they are doing. All right, so we have our nouns, our verbs, and now we're going to have some descriptive words. So, words that describe something. Okay, so we have a noun, a verb, and a descriptive word. So now we're going to go ahead and cut these words up. Okay, so we have our 3 piles of words, and I actually realized we're going to need 3 bags. 1 for each pile. So you're going to put the words in each of your bags. So you're going to mix it up. Then you're going to grab 1 word from each bag. Don't look. So now I have a round shouting ice cream cone, or a round ice cream cone shouting. So now I have my item, my noun, the thing that describes the noun, and what the ice cream cone is doing. So this is my prompt that I'm going to draw today. All right, so now I have my paper, I have my reminder of what I'm making, and I'm going to draw my round ice cream cone shouting. So what would that look like? I have to really use my imagination to figure out what that's going to look like. I'm going to use my pencil. If it's round, I'm going to start with a cone, and I'm going to make kind of a round cone shape. I'm going to use 3 circles for my ice cream. I'm going to do some erasing for any bits that I don't like. And what I've always tell you, draw light till you get it right, then go darker. Now, if my ice cream cone is shouting, it's going to need a face. So I think I'm going to make a face on each of these little scoops. Use a circle and a circle. And I'm going to make a big circle here. And a little funny yellow tongue. Another circle and another circle. And I'm going to make this mouth with a curved line and a curved line. And this one's going to have a smaller eyes, kind of wide. I like those wide set eyes. That's just my personal preference. He's going to have a tongue too. And then this one, have his eyes super wide just because I think that's cute. And he's going to have a frowny face. And he's going to be like, what's going on? I'm going to give him some raisy eyebrows. And we're going to give them some action lines. So you can almost sense the loudness. And they're saying, I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. So here we have some actual ice cream. Get it? It's screaming. It's ice cream. All right, now we're going to use whatever we have on hand. If you have markers, if you have crayons, if you have colored pencils, use whatever you have to color it in. I'm going to go ahead and start coloring mine. There we have our round ice cream cone shouting.